Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Candigo Vlogs. So today I'm gonna talk about BS4 version of BMW GT 320D luxury line. So without waiting further ado, let's go review the vehicle. So these are the keys for this GT 320D luxury line. Open the hood. There's an insulation pad placed right over here. The car is powered by a twin turbo diesel engine which produces 1995cc. Let's close the hood. So this GT is a BS4 version, and as you can see it has LED DRLs, headlights, fog lights, and there is a chrome treatment finished right over here. It has parking sensors all over the car. Here are the headlights and chrome grille and logo. And coming to the tire, it has a 225 by 50 18-inch alloys. This is a luxury line batching, and just see the design, how it flows with the car. Even the rear tire happens to be 225 by 50 18-inch tubeless tires. This is the fuel intake. And coming to the rear, it has LED tail lamps which kind of suits the vehicle, very good looking. And this is the spoiler which is of metal. And coming down, it has got a twin turbo exhaust. These are the parking sensors, and camera is placed right over here. And let's go to the other side. Same as well. Tubeless tires, and of course LED turn indicators. Let's open the boot. The boot capacity happens to be 580 liters. This is a spare alloy wheel, and there's a light placed right over here and even on the left side. The seat happens to be 60-40 split. Let's press this button. Automatic closing. Spoiler automatically opens in sport mode, driving at 60 speed. This is how the fuel lid is opened, and it has got a 60-liter tank capacity. When you open the door, the glass slightly goes downwards and then upwards while closing. Coming to the rear, it has got all chrome treatments. These are for the window controls. It has got frameless doors. There is a lot of space offered in the rear. This is for the 1 liter bottle capacity. And as you can see, this is how the rear looks like. Here is the AC vent along with 12 volt charging capacity. And there's a magazine holder right there behind the seats. And here's the armrest, and you can place your glasses right over here. And there's a small space given right over here. The headroom happens to be quite normal, as a 6 feet cannot comfortably sit at the rear. This is how the dash look like at the rear. And there's a light placement right over here. It has got grab handles on both the sides, and at the front it has got automatically adjustable seats. It has got 2 modes. You can automatically adjust your seating. This is for the bonnet. This is for the boot. These are the paddles, and here are the window controls. And these are for the mirror controls for adjusting your mirror. And this is for opening and closing the spoiler. And here is the window lock button. And on the right hand side we got light controls, high beam, low beam. It has got a mix of both the instrumental cluster, digitally and analog. It gives us a lot of information about fuel, time, engine heating. And on the right hand side we got the controls for the display, and here we got engine start on off button, and this is the parking assist button, and these are the controls for mode changing. We are in economy right now. Let's go to comfort, sport, and sport plus. The theme of the vehicle changes as we are going into a sports and sport plus mode. as the color changes to red, and while in economy it changes to blue color. Yeah. And these are the controls for the screen. This is an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is the AC, automatic AC. And here is the handbrake and the armrest. It has a decent space and along with a USB port. And let's open this. There's a small light placed right over here. And it has got a 8.8-inch LCD display which gives us a lot of information about the car. Like we can navigate. Let's go to maps, recent destinations, enter new destination, maps. It even gives us journeys, settings. Let's go to maps. It has the 1:2 display. Let's go back and to notification. It supports Apple CarPlay and Android Autoplay. And let's go to communications, BMW assistance, manage mobile devices, dial number, recent call, contacts. Let's go back and my vehicle, which gives us about the vehicle status, driver profile, contents on main menu. We can change the contents of the main menu, iDrive settings, vehicle settings, and of course other settings. It has got a large amount of information to offer. And now let's go back, and here is the connected drive option, which gives us a BMW assistance, Spotify. And let's go back in the media. Okay, these are the USB devices connected to this car. Personalize, we can even personalize our menu. These are the window lock button along with hazards. It has got awesome automatic AC system. And there's a small amount offered right over here along with a cup holder and a cigarette lighter. And there's a small space right over here where we can place our phones. Let's get into reverse. And this is how the reverse camera look like. Let's go into drive, and if you press this P, it goes into parking mode. And the vehicle has got a panoramic sunroof, and these are the light controls. Let's open the sunroof right now. Backwards. The sunroof happens to be very large and very good. It gives a decent lighting in the car. And we have to press this again twice. And here is the sunroof. Now let's close it. Again pressing twice to close it. And on the driver side, it has got a vanity mirror along with a light placed right over here. And even on the co-passenger, it has got a vanity mirror and a light placed right over there. Here are the paddle shifters along with indicators controls. And on the right hand side, we got wiper controls. And on the right hand side, we can control the brightness of our screen. And as you can see, the brightness of the screen increases and decreases. There's a light placed right over here and here. And it has got a chrome finished twin turbo dual exhaust, which gives us a adequate sound, not like a roaring sound. And this chrome treatment finished all over the vehicle, which kind of suits the vehicle. This is how the upper part of the vehicle looks like, and it has got a shark fin antenna. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.